Yeah, this is IPD workshop. As you can see, we've got this piece of job. We done it yesterday, so we want to verify. This is a high pressure pump. We rebuilt it. Now we want to check, is the pump working properly? Yeah, fine. This is our tank. As you can see, there's a high pressure pipes. Sure.